All right, welcome back everybody to part 2 of the Gladiator Overland build. What we're going to do next is install the S-Pod Bantam. Alright, so I got my S-Pod set out. Got the control, the touchscreen in here. And I did go with the touchscreen model, not the one with the actual buttons. So, touchscreen system, S-Pod Bantam X. This is what will go underneath the hood. So yeah, let's get started. So I got the S-Pod Bantam installed. Got the wires running hooked up to the battery. I haven't secured them yet because we've still got some work to do on the wiring in general, so I'm going to wait just a little bit on doing that. I've got the Ethernet cable run down through the firewall, and I came up underneath. I've still got to secure a bunch of extra cable through the side and here. And this is where I am going to mount the screen. And to do that, I've got this piece from CMM. You take this panel off and the bolt out, and I believe it goes like this. So that will allow me to use brand mount components such as this. And I picked up a mounting ball that will screw onto the back of the S-Pod screen. Will allow me to mount that somewhere in there. So it'll be an easy reach. So I could also do it up here. That might be a better solution, honestly. So I'm going to play around with that. I'll either mount it down low here or I'll mount it up top. But that's where it's going to go, is on the grab handle. And so we'll get that going here now. Okay, so I decided to go up top with it. So that is all installed. I ran the wire down through the A-pillar. I've still got the plastic panels put on, secure up all the wires and everything, but I do think that is going to be a good, easily accessible spot for the screen to control my my switches. So maybe a little bit of fine-tuning to do over time, but pretty happy with the install so far. So just got to button up the wires, put the kick panels back on, and it's good to go for now. Eventually I'll get around to wiring up all the lights to the actual S-Pod itself, but pretty happy with this. It's a nice small screen. It's out of the way. It's not blocking anything. So that's pretty nice. So that's it for the S-Pod install. And hope you liked the video. Thanks for tuning in. As I mentioned before, I do have a lot of parts still to go, as you can see on the table and underneath the table. Still a lot to do, so going to continue to work here on it as I can. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to see more, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, And you'll see more of the Jeep, and you'll also start to see the new shop dog, Miles. What do you say, Miles? Say bye, Miles.